everybody, welcome to my project exhibition. Now, we are happy to participate in the International Young Scientist Innovation Exhibition 2021. My project title is Go Green Clean Bot, and we come from the Environmental Science category. Our group name is Low Tech, and my teammates are Isaac Yong, me, which is Jordan Wong, and my other teammate, Hai Jun. Our advisor is Madam Ang Kwan Yi, and we come from the school SMK Sentosa, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Now, introduction. Our project entitled Grow Green Clean Bot applies green technology linked to 5R principles, which are refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, and recycle. Green technology is an umbrella term that describes the use of technology and science to create products and services that are environmentally friendly and protect the environment. According to Cambridge Dictionary, waste is material left after what is valuable and has no longer been needed. Our household material reduce waste material from household products. They are entitled to be disposed by reusing and repurposing them to create a robotic vacuum cleaner. Some household products, however, are no longer suitable and eventually end up in landfills. According to Malek, a total of 10,000 tons of food and plastic are wasted daily. Can you imagine? So, to protect the environment by reducing waste material, we need to be innovative and creative by reusing the material and repurposing them to create a helpful product. The idea of the project started when one of our mums kept complaining that the floor was always dirty and dusty. Unfortunately, she was busy with work and had no time to clean the house. Thus, our group Low Tech came up with the idea of reusing unwanted household materials for our project. This includes reusing some old toy car wheels, reusing a suction fan motor from a faulty car vacuum cleaner with a broken plug, reusing a plastic container as a dust collector, reusing a cardboard box to make the outer shell of the vacuum cleaner, and lastly, some rechargeable batteries as a power source for the vacuum cleaner. Objective: to reduce, reuse, and repurpose waste material to protect our environment.
Hi everyone, my name is Hai Jun. I am 13 years old, studying at SMK Sentosa, Kuala Lumpur. Now, I am going to present the materials and apparatus with the estimated cost. First of all, what we use is plastic container with cover, and the estimated cost is 50 cents. A cardboard is 1 ringgit. Now, from an old toys car, we taken out a battery box, 2 wheels, switch air, rotating device, and LED light, so that the estimated cost is 20 ringgit. The motor with suction fan from car vacuum cleaner, which costs 13 ringgit. Rechargeable battery AA size 3 units is 10 ringgit. A small switch B is 2 ringgit. Copper wire 3 ringgit. Plastic bottle 50 cents. Crude which act as a filter 7 ringgit. Rechargeable battery of 9 volts is 13 ringgit. Spray pin gold is 7 ringgit. So the total estimated cost is about 79 ringgit. But we did not spend any money because we are using waste material from our house. And now, the next one is talking about the top view of Go Green Clean Bot. As you can see, we have LED lights. We use the cardboard for the outer shell and also for the base. Then, you can see here, this is a plastic container with a cover. On top of it is the motor. And below is the suction fan. Now, below this plastic container, there is another place but bottle that is used to enclose the suction fan. We have a rechargeable battery 9 volts, used to cover the motor for the suction fan here. Now, over here you can see, we have 3 units of rechargeable AA batteries, which are used to cover the rotating device here, which is wheels. This is the bottom view of the Go Green Clean Bot. You can see from here, the rotating device here with the front caster wheels and also the rear Lego wheels. This is for the movement of the Go Green Clean Bot. There is a switch which is mentioned earlier. This is a switch A for the rotating mechanism. This is switch B for the suction motor. Now over here, this is the part where we have our plastic container. There is a hole for sucking dirt inside.
Hi, I'm Isaac Yong. Today I'm going to explain the methodology of the Go Green Clean Bot. A. Setup of the body for the Go Green Clean Bot. A large piece of cardboard was cut into 4 smaller pieces. 2 round-shaped cardboard with a diameter of 24 centimeters used as the base and the top of the vacuum cleaner. A rectangle shape with a length of 74 centimeters and a width of 10 centimeters. A rectangle shape with a length of 70 centimeters and a width of 2 centimeters. The surface of the cardboard was sprayed with gold color paint. The round-shaped cardboard from step 1A acts as the base. We drew and cut out the following pieces from the base. A rectangle with measurements from 8.2 centimeters times 5 centimeters to fit the battery holder. A circle with a diameter of 9.3 centimeters to fit the plastic container which collects dust. And a rectangle with measurements of 4.6 centimeters times 8.9 centimeters for the wheels. The battery's casing with switch B was inserted into the hole made in step 3A and glued to the top of the cardboard prepared in step 3. The battery's casing openings were placed at the bottom part of the cardboard. The rotating device with wheels was inserted into the hole made in step 3C and glued to the top of the cardboard prepared in step 3. The wheels were placed at the bottom part of the cardboard. The rectangle cardboard from step 1B was glued to the circumference of the circle cardboard from step 4 at the top part. The rectangle cardboard from step 1C was glued to the circumference of the circle cardboard from step 1A, which is used as the top. Two lines with a length of 3 centimeters were drawn and cut on the vacuum cleaner's body to fit in two LED lights used to beautify the vacuum cleaner. The outer shell of the body part of the vacuum cleaner is completed. The 9-volt rechargeable battery was connected to the switch A and the motor part of the vacuum cleaner prepared in section B by using connecting wires. The 3AA rechargeable battery was connected to the rotating device prepared in step 5 using connecting wires. B. Setup of the suction part of the vacuum. Disassemble the faulty car vacuum cleaner and remove the suction fan and motor part. A hole with a diameter of 7.5 centimeters was cut on the lid of the plastic food container. The suction fan was glued to the bottom part of the plastic container's lid, while the motor part is at the top of the plastic container lid. A plastic water bottle of 500 ml capacity was cut. The base and upper part were removed. Only the middle part of the bottle with a height of 3 centimeters was kept. It is stick to the bottom part of the plastic container's lid and acts as a tube for casing and protecting the suction fan from being disturbed by the dust accumulated during the vacuuming process. A filter cloth with 8.3 centimeters diameter was cut and glued to the bottom part of the tube prepared from step 4 to cover it from incoming dust during the vacuuming process. A hole with a length of 5 centimeters and a width of 1.6 centimeters was made on the bottom part of the plastic food container for dust suction. Cover the plastic food container prepared from step 6 with the lid containing the suction fan and motor prepared from step 1 to 5. Place the entire plastic food container prepared from section B, step 7 into the hole prepared in section A, step 3B. C. To operate the vacuum cleaner. First, turn on switch A, which is connected to the suction motor. 2. Turn on switch B to activate the wheels connecting to the rotating device. 3. Turn off both switches after use.
Finally, we conclude a result for the vacuum performance. 80% of the room should be vacuumed, except for the difficult areas and corners. It can suck out dry waste, such as the mixture of dry paper, grains, dust, and hair as well. Furthermore, the lifespan reserved for AA rechargeable battery. After recharge time of 30 minutes, it can last for 70 minutes runtime for the wheels and rotating device. The result of the lifespan for 9 woods rechargeable battery after recharge time of 30 minutes, it can be lasting for 60 minutes runtime for the suction motor, as well as the volume for 400 millimeters. The maximum amount of debris collect can only fit to 400 millimeters due to the limitation of the small diameter of the plastic container.
Discussion. Pros of product. Convenient and user-friendly. The vacuum cleaner can remove hair, paper, and dust. It saves time as it cleans the house automatically without human intervention within a defined perimeter. Portable to be used at home compared to a conventional vacuum cleaner, which is too big and bulky to keep. Weight 1 kg, which is light and can be carried anywhere, anytime. It is 24 cm in diameter and 10 cm tall. Small size and clean underneath surfaces like sofas and beds. Low cost, bagless compared to a regular vacuum cleaner that needs bags to hold the dust, hair, and other debris they suck up. Operates at low noise. Dust collected in a plastic food container can be easily removed from its spool. Cons of product. It can only vacuum one place at a time. Once done cleaning, we have to transfer it to another place. It is not waterproof. Any form of liquid may interfere with the navigation system and cause a short circuit. The suction power is weak since it works on batteries. The vacuum cleaner cannot continuously operate for hours because it does not have a cooling fan. The base and the casing made of used cardboard will affect the longevity of the product. The function is limited. It has a small plastic container which acts as a dust collector compartment, unable to vacuum the corners properly. Future project development. UV light or sanitizer mist spray could be added to Go Green CleanBot since the COVID-19 pandemic threatens the community. To improve the functionality, we may equip with sensors to detect surroundings. Cleaner brushes can be added to the vacuum cleaner to increase the efficiency of dust cleaning. Conclusion. We should practice the 5R principles, which are refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, and recycle. This is to ensure that we conserve and minimize the impact on the environment and reduce the use of natural resources. If these natural resources are not well managed, the quality of human life and environment will also be affected. We are responsible for ensuring that future generations enjoy the same quality of life we enjoy now. Trust. A critical approach such as green technology is essential to ensure quality of life and sustainable resource retention. Our product has features used in green technology consisting of innovative, safe, appropriate design, economical, and easy to use, which minimizes environmental degradation. We have learned from this Go Green CleanBot that every waste material can always have a second life. As we reuse and repurpose the waste material from our household material, we did not spend any money to buy the materials used for this project. Therefore, one of the other ways we may continue to make efforts to be more environmental friendly is to recycle and reuse anything that has that option, instead of throwing away, which ultimately leads to more negative effects on the environment. Our robotic vacuum cleaners estimated cost is RM79, which is so much cheaper compared to the commercial products that cost around 200 ringgit. So we should encourage society to be innovative and creative to use materials to build their products instead of buying them. With this, we can save costs and protect the environment. Hence, with our creation, we hope to bring awareness to the public of the importance of 5R principles: refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, and recycle, and avoid unnecessary spending. Our planet is precious, and only we can save it. Our earth, our home. No earth, no life. Thank you. For all viewers around the world, you guys may refer to the sources here that we use for the development of our project. Thank you very much for watching.